Welcome to our tutorial on creating an invoice for a client or entity. Let's start by clicking on the entity, which will take you to the entity profile page. Once there, you'll see a menu at the top, and you just need to click on Invoices. On the invoice page, typically, you'd see a list of invoices. However, since this is a new entity, there aren't any invoices yet. Let's change that by clicking on Add. This action will take us to the Create Invoice page. On this page, you'll notice that some information is already filled in for the entity or client along with your details. Let's begin by setting a due date. We'll choose the end of the month. Now, let's start adding items to the invoice by clicking Add Service. At this point, you can search through the different services available in your database. We'll cover how to add these services in another video, but for now, let's proceed. We'll add Company Secretary Services. Once you have the details for the service, click Add. Let's go ahead and add a few more items to our invoice. Next, let's include a registered office service. After that, we'll add one more item, a business certificate, and there you have it. Now, our invoice contains 3 items. If you're satisfied with the selection, go ahead and click Create Invoice. You'll receive a confirmation prompt. After reviewing everything, if it all looks good, click Create. And just like that, your invoice draft is in the system. Now that we've created a draft invoice for this entity, click the Done button. You'll be directed to view the draft version of your invoice. If you're pleased with the draft and want to see a PDF version, click Generate. This will create the invoice in an official PDF format. If everything checks out, simply click Submit to officially issue it in your system. Let's take a moment for the submission process. Once complete, the invoice is officially submitted and you'll be redirected back to the invoice screen. That's all for this video.